In this video, I'm going to be sharing with you guys how to create a monetizable Facebook page. And I'm not going to just show you how to create this Facebook page. I'm going to explain many things you need to understand about Facebook monetization as you're about to create a Facebook page in order to be monetized. So me just making a video on how to create a Facebook page without explaining how the monetization and everything works, you might go there and start making some mistakes. So that's the reason why it's very, very important that you watch this video from beginning to the end. So let's dive into it. So the first thing I'm going to do is that I'm going to be answering some common questions beginners ask whenever they want to create a Facebook page in order to be monetized. So the first question people ask is, why is Facebook paying me? All right, so a lot of people actually don't know the reason why Facebook is paying them, even some people that are already monetized. And I'm going to be explaining this. You know, Facebook is a platform where people share pictures, videos, text posts, and everything. Right, so because of this, a lot of people are joining Facebook every day, and currently Facebook is the biggest social media platform at the moment. So because of that, a lot of advertisers discovered that Facebook is a good place for them to showcase their business. So they now come to agreement with Facebook that they are going to be placing their advert on people's video. Right, so in order for Facebook to achieve this, now Facebook need creators, because creators are the people who are actually making those videos that they are supposed to place advert on. And you know that those advertisers are paying Facebook. So Facebook, instead of taking all the money and placing the advert, which is something they can actually do, but they said no, we are not going to do it that way. We need to partner with creators in order to encourage creators to create more content. You know, so if Facebook is paying creators in order to place adverts on their video, this will encourage creators to create more content. So the reason why Facebook is actually paying you is because when these advertisers pay them, they are placing the advert on your videos and they are giving you a certain percentage, and that percentage is the money which they are paying you. So if you don't know the reason why Facebook is paying you, this is the reason why they are paying you. So another question people actually ask is, what should I do to be paid? All right, so basically this is a kind of partnership. Earlier, before, we had a criteria that you need to reach in order to be monetized, which is 60,000 watch minutes, 5,000 followers, having 5 eligible videos, and following content monetization policy. And currently everything has changed, and Facebook monetization is currently by invitation. So this actually means that when you create your page, all you need to do is for you to focus more on posting original content and post every day consistently. And Facebook is going to invite you when they feel like, yeah, this particular page is okay and is qualified for our monetization. So what you need to do for you to be paid is to keep on posting content every day consistently until Facebook invites you. And once they invite you, all you need to do is to set up your page. And once you set up your page and they approve you, you will start earning from your videos. Recently, you can actually earn from text posts and pictures as well, right? So the next question is, what should I avoid? Right now, we are going to create a Facebook page, right? So it's important for you to understand the kind of thing that you are not supposed to do in order to keep your page very safe. Right, so a lot of creators who don't understand this Facebook monetization policies, they always fall into it, and most times this destroys the pages and they have to create a new page. But now we are going to create a new page for monetization. You see the reason why it's good for me to explain all this before showing you how to create the page, because after watching this you'll be able to avoid this mistake. So number one thing you need to avoid if you create this Facebook page is that you shouldn't post people's video. Even if you are posting people's video, it's important for you to run a reaction on it. And while doing this reaction, it's important that you add value to those videos. And avoid using people's music like Wizkid, Davido, and other people. Avoid using their music because it might lead you to copyright. You can only use this music when you are posting Reel and you selected it through Reels. So Facebook provided sound collection where you can actually select music that are available for creators to use on their videos. So avoid using people's video and avoid violence content, like all this content that they are breaking bottle and you see bloodshed and everything. Facebook do not want it. Once Facebook see anything like blood, right, they might give you violation, and this violation most times it might affect your monetization. So it's important for you to avoid that, and also avoid nudity. Anything that is showcasing people's body, avoid it. All right, so these are the things you need to avoid. There are so many other things you need to avoid, which is why it's important for you to subscribe to my channel, because I'm sharing all these things in this channel. So finally, the last question we are going to be taking before I show you guys how to create this Facebook page is, what kind of Facebook page can be monetized? Understand? So recently, Facebook profile is being turned into professional mode, right? Which I'm also going to show you guys how to turn this into a professional mode. In case if you don't want to create a fresh Facebook page, maybe you already have an audience in your profile and you want to use that your profile, right? I will show you how to convert this to professional mode. So what you need to do if you have a profile is to convert it to professional mode, but any other Facebook page which you created as a page can be monetized, but you cannot monetize profile until you turn it into a professional mode. So I'm going to be showing you guys right now how to create a Facebook page and also how to turn on your professional mode, right? So I'll be taking you guys to the other side of the screen to show you guys exactly step by step how to do this. But before we get to the other side of the screen, I would like you to do something for me. I would like you to hit the like button and drop a comment. Even if you don't know what to say, you can actually say thank you Mazi for sharing this, and I'll be glad to respond to your comment. So if you want to create a Facebook page, it's very simple. All you need to do is to open your Facebook profile, right? So once you open your Facebook profile, you need to come and click on this menu bar right here. So once you tap on it, you're going to see page right here. You can see page right here, pages right here. So all you need to do is to tap on it, right? So once you tap on it, you can see upper here, right up right here, you will see create, right? So all you need to do is to tap on the create. Once you tap on the create, they are going to ask you make friends. This actually for to connect with friends. So this one is grow public followers. So I would recommend you to select this grow public followers. Build a public presence or monetize your brand or businesses, right? So you just need to select this down one, right? So once you select it and you click on next, right? Once you click on it, you are going to see this place where they are saying creating a new page would be best for you based on your selection. A page has a feature you need, so access, blah blah blah. So the next thing you need to do is for you to click on get started, right? So once you click on get started, then you need to now put in the page name you want, right? So basically I'm going to put this as get fit with Marzi, right? So click on done. So the next thing I'm going to do right now is just to click on next, which is right here. So I just need to tap on next, and as you can see right here, they will ask you to select your category and everything. So this particular one I'm going to do right now is about health. So I'm going to actually search. Let me search if I can see fitness. So fitness model, right? So you just need to put the category your niche is, right? So put it. After you put it and you click on this create. But let me say this before I click on create. I might click on this create and Facebook might tell me that I have created so many pages, which is that they have been telling me over since, right? So but if you have not created many pages, Facebook will not say that to you. So but this is basically because I've created many pages, but I don't know if they are going to say it this time because I've not created page for over 1 year now. So let me check, right? So the next thing we need to do is for us to click on this create. So let's see if it's going to work. So it's loading. So right now it's worked, right? So what the next thing we need to do is for you to set up the bio, so I'll just write it fitness page, but definitely next I'm going to change everything. So right now, if you have a website, display the root or website, you just need to put in your website. Here they wrote email. You need to put your email if you have email. If you have phone number that you want to put, you put phone number. If you want to put your location and everything, you just put all of them. All right. So here is where you set the hours that you are always available. So you can say always open. So that's it. Then the next thing you need to do is just to click on next, right? So as you can see, my fitness page has been opened, and you guys see that I created this page with you guys. So I'm going to, if you can follow me, you can actually follow me because this page I'm going to take it very serious. Right? Just click on next, and as you click on next, you can actually invite people. You can invite any person you want to invite. Let me just select like up to 10 people or 20 people. Just invite them. Then just click on next and click on invite, and I have invited them. Right, done. So right now this page has been created. So right here I've switched to the page, and you can see, so all you need to do is just to put in your profile and every other thing. So it's easy for you to create a profile and all those things. So very easy. So I think you can actually do that by yourself, right? So this is exactly how to create a page, right? So guys, let me quickly show you guys how to actually turn on your professional mode in case if you want to use your profile instead of creating a page. So all you need to do is for you to click on this menu right here. You can see this menu right here. Once you tap on it, right, then basically if you tap on it, here is where it's going to bring you to this particular place. What you need to do is for you to come right here and click on your name, right? Once you click on your name, it will bring you inside here. You know, everybody know how to come here, so it's easy. So the next thing you need to do is, you see this three line right here, this three line right here. All you need to do is to tap on the three line. When you tap on the three line, you can see all these options right here. Then you just need to come and look for turn on professional mode. Right now this particular account is on professional mode. You can see what they wrote is turn professional mode off. So once I tap on it, right, this, then click on continue, right, it is going to be turned off, right? But I don't want to turn it off, but because of you people, I will turn it off. And when I turn it on, let me know if we can actually turn it back again. Okay, close. So right now let's try if we can actually turn it on from scratch, because I don't have any profile that is not turned on. So right now you can see right there the rules, turn on professional mode. So let's tap on it. Let's tap on it right here. They will say turn on. You know, you just need to click on turn on, right? So then allow it to load, right? So right here it's already turned on. You can see successfully turned on. So we are back on professional mode. How do you know that your page is on professional mode? Is when you can see this professional dashboard right here. You can see this professional dashboard right there. If you can see, don't know that your page is on professional mode. So here is where you can, when you tap on it, you'll be able to see monetization. You can see monetization right here. You can see all the forms of monetization right here. So this is when you are seeing all this, just know that your page is on professional mode. So guys, this is exactly how to create a page and also how to turn your professional mode on, right? So see you guys on the other side of the screen. You're welcome back, guys. Hope you enjoyed this video. If you found this video very interesting, I would like you to hit the like button and drop a comment. Even if you don't know what to say, you can actually say thank you, Mazi, for sharing this, and I'll be glad to respond to your comment. And don't forget to share this video so that other people get to watch and learn from it as well. All right, so thank you all for watching, and see you in my next video.